guys, so it's day 3 and now we are heading towards somewhere, and keep watching and you will know where we are going.
Oh guys! Oh.
Hello! So guys, we just arrived here and I wanna show you this.
Map of Arunachal Pradesh.
कैसा था रास्ता? बहुत खराब ना?
बहुत जिंग.
Everyone is taking some rest. कि सबका हालत बहुत खराब है. This is fresh elephant poop. Chintam, he never forgets to click pictures of himself.
Hey Minnie!
Hi!
You wanna say something?
Yeah, I just want to say that I'm enjoying here, and as you can see, the hilly area. Also, this fresh water.
I forgot to bring a waterproof. Or else I can put the GoPro inside. You cannot put.
I'm not putting your GoPro inside, okay? Our seniors, they're clicking pictures. We are really enjoying, yaar.
Yeah. Enjoying.
Seriously.
And there is also a waterfall. Left side.
Yeah. Now, I don't know if anyone have went to any trip, educational trip. I'm talking about educational trip and enjoyed like us, because we are enjoying like hell.
Sure.
Fresh air.
Fresh air.
Okay, very good.
Let me show you a tiger footprint. Holy. So this is the tiger footprint we are talking about. Okay.
এই রাস্তাটো দেখিছে মানে মই ফৰেষ্ট গাৰ্ডক চাই পেলাই কৈছো সুধি পেলাই ইন্টাৰভিউ লৈ ইয়াৰ পৰা 5 কিলোমিটাৰ গলে তাত সিক্ৰেট প্লেস পায় যাব পাৰে কেতিয়াবা এটো নেচাৰেলি হৈছে আৰু তাত মাছ চাছ ইমান ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ মাছ পায় বহুত ডাঙৰ মাছ চাছ সব আছে একদম নেচাৰেল পুৰা বিউটিফুল আৰু তাতে কিবা এটা ভাইব আছে বুলি কৈছে এনাৰ্জি আছে তাত
ইয়াৰ পৰা
5
এই ৰোডটোৰ পৰা 5 কিলোমিটাৰ যদি আপোনালোকে যায় so 5 kilometers from this road and you will be exploring an amazing place, and we haven't went there, so we can't exactly say what this place is, but the forest ranger said that, so let's believe on that.
ये deer का है ना?
Yes, so this is deer's footprint. Sambar's footprint. This is.
Wow.
This is my footprint.
This is Minnie's footprint. So let's go and have our breakfast with Maggie.
So we will be having breakfast, and our breakfast is Maggie and eggs.
So
now we are going back to our dorm, and we enjoyed a lot. So we are all ready to go for a new adventure. But before that, let's show you our campus. Okay? So I already showed you our the hotel where we are staying. Not hotel, is resort. Now we are heading towards our dining hall.
okay, tiger is the mobile app sorry. There could be this. So let's go inside. Wow. Nice dining.
You can just rest here.
Each and every room there is some name written. Here also. And you can also find some feedback box there.
Yeah.
If you have any queries related, you can.
This is the feedback box. This is the dining
Dining.
table. This is me.
ब्लॉग नहीं है
And here is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. We distribute food here, and this is also a kind of dining hall.
Let's go to now
Boys dormitory.
boys dormitory. Not this is conference hall.
Oh, this is conference hall.
So let's go inside in the conference hall.
Yep.
So this is the conference hall and let's go inside. Here you can see so many signboards and each giving us informations about so many things. There are birds around water, then birds of prey, bugs, ants. There's so many posters and you can get so many information from this room. And please come here and you will enjoy each and everything. You can see everything in detail. And it also have a system where you can hear the voices of birds. But I'm not gonna explain everything because you need to come here and see everything with your own eyes and then you will be amazed. These are some wall paintings which are drawn on the wall and they are also very great. Our professor is giving us some information about a topic, so let's go and listen to him.
Look at this place and look at this hut.
It would be nice to take photo. Ooh.
Look at this dustbin. Even the dustbin is very cute.
And yesterday night we have a bonfire out there.
So we are heading towards now boys dormitory and the price of the room is 1,000 per night.
Per night, yeah.
Yeah, per night.
And that side, that room side is per person 100.
Per person 100. Long we just woke up. I'm gonna show you the boys dormitory. Dad, we are coming.
Hey,
Minhas.
Oh, hi.
Oi, hello.
What is it?
hi.
Good morning, Balta.
Good evening. Hi.
Good morning, Long
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So this is the house I'm talking about. Staying here is per person 100.
Dog.
They train dog in that side, and there is a volleyball court in this side, and this is a camping site.
So now we're heading towards this rehabilitation center, no?
Yeah.
Shoo.
Hi.
You're looking cool, bro.
Okay. Me. So
Rehabilitation
yeah.
center is not so far, I think. So it's 300.
We can go by walking.
I can go by walking.
So hey guys, Kuldeep and I and our whole department went to a nursery, and before that we went to a rehab where we saw cute bears and one bear was sleeping. Then we went to a nursery where we discussed about some plants, and now we are here, a roasting center or a roasting site of hornbill, and we watched some hornbills and they are resting on a tree. So that's it for today. I'm gonna show you my friends because they're watching too. Kimanda dekhili?
23.
23? Oh, 23 plus 3, 26. Kuldeep also watching?
I'm counting on. I have seen almost 15, I think so.
15? Okay. Want to see something? Okay. Oh! Wow! What a sight! See? You guys are so lucky. You got to see this. And they are clicking pictures of hornbill along with some baby pandas. Like
So guys,
so
that's it for today.
bye bye.